we look at investors and we'll track this week from the macro point of view. The Federal Reserve's preferred inflation indicators are expected to show the most moderate monthly rises since the end of last year. This could pave the way for interest rate cuts as early as September. Officials from the Fed have stated since their last meeting that they are heartened by the gradual decline in inflation dictators and indicators. But that being said, they will wait months for such improvements before reducing rates. Meanwhile, the labor market, which is a part of the Fed's dual mandate, is still going strong, albeit slowly. With the labor market doing well, officials have more leeway to decide when to cut interest rates. Based on median predictions in a Bloomberg survey, we should not expect any change in the personal consumption expenditures price index for May, and only a small increase of about 0.1% in the core measure, including food and energy. Both the overall and core gauge are expected to show yearly increase of about 2.6% in the report that was scheduled on Friday. The core measure, which more accurately depicts underlying inflation, is projected to show the smallest increase since March 2021. In Asia, it's not all about rate cuts. Robert Cannell, regional head for research for Asia Pacific, said following the revelation that the Reserve Bank of Australia discussed rate hikes at its last meeting, the May CPI data will probably raise the question, well, why didn't they? Cannell also specified that the comment on hikes is not a typo and that he did mean rate hikes and not cuts. This week, along with inflation data, Japan also publishes its monthly industrial production and labor reports on the 28th of June, Friday. Investors will also eye India's fiscal data for May. Strong fiscal discipline is one of the reasons for the improvement in the outlook for India's sovereign credit rating to positive by S&P recently. So investors will track to see any slippage following the recent election results. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.